Amazon SageMaker is a fully managed service that provides developers and data scientists with the ability to collect and prepare, build, train, and deploy machine learning models quickly. Amazon SageMaker removes the heavy lifting from each step of the machine learning process to make it easier to develop high-quality models. Amazon SageMaker provides all of the components used for machine learning in a single toolset, so models get to production faster, with much less effort, and at a lower cost. Here are some of the benefits of using Amazon SageMaker. Make machine learning more accessible. With Amazon SageMaker, machine learning becomes more accessible, enabling people to innovate with ML through a choice of tools, an integrated IDE, and no-code visual interfaces. Prepare data at scale. With Amazon SageMaker, you can access, label, and process large amounts of structured data, like tabular data from spreadsheets, and unstructured data, like photos, video, and audio. Accelerate ML development. With Amazon SageMaker, you can reduce training time from hours to minutes, with an optimized infrastructure, and you can boost productivity with purpose-built tools. Amazon SageMaker also enables you to automate and standardize MLOps practices across your organization, allowing you to train and deploy models at scale. Amazon SageMaker can be utilized for specific use cases as well. With Amazon SageMaker Canvas, business analysts can easily prepare data, train models, and generate predictions using a point-and-click interface. They can then share the results with data scientists and integrate them into common business intelligence tools. With Amazon SageMaker Studio Notebook, data scientists can access data from structured and unstructured data sources, improve productivity with purpose-built tools, and fully manage Jupyter notebooks with just a few clicks. And with Amazon SageMaker MLOps, software developers can build CI/CD pipelines to reduce model management overhead, automate ML workflows to accelerate data preparation and model building, training, and experiments. They can also monitor ML model quality by automatically detecting bias and drift, and automatically track code datasets and artifacts at each step of the ML lifecycle.